mucking around with tyres because I found some of these, which I've just shoved on there. It's not actually mounted properly, but look at that lovely little bit of squish. I do like a bit of squish. And it still doesn't actually bottom out at full travel, see? And I've also put in those sway bars that are included, which seem to help a lot with the whole stability of the tray. So yeah, I'm thinking these are actually endurers and they're really sticky. They are better than these. These are a little bit too firm. They're great, but a little bit too solid. So I've got 4 of them. I might get another 2 of them. Because it sort of looks about right. I don't know. What do you think?